Welcome guys to the Crochet Bits channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to crochet one more bookmark. In my case it is bookmark, and as you see it's long. You may crochet it shorter, you may use it as decoration for your sweater, for your granny square, so you decide. And of course I do suggest using a cotton yarn or cotton blend yarn if you're going to use it as a bookmark. Today I'm using 2.5 millimeters crochet hook, and the yarn, I don't know the brand, but it looks like fine or sport yarn. Number 2, you may also use number 1, like fingering. Okay, if you're ready, let's do it together. Start with a slip knot and chain 7, and please leave 15 or 20 centimeters tail, because we will use it at the end. I will show you why. If you're not going to use it, then you just cut it. Now chain 7. Perfect. And we start into the second chain from hook, make 2 single crochet. So we start with an increase. Now 1 single crochet in next 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now into the last chain 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. No worries if you have a big hole. I will show you how to close it at the end. Now 1 single crochet in next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here into the first one 2 more single crochet. 1, 2. Join with slip stitch in first single crochet when you started making increase. Great. Round number 2, chain 1, and start again with increase into the same stitch as joining. 1, 2. If you want, you may place a stitch marker. So this is the first single crochet. It will be easier for you. Now 1 single crochet in next stitch, 1 single crochet in next stitch. Now make increase 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Now 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 1, 1. Now in next 2 stitches make increases, so 2 single crochet and 2 single crochet here. 1, 2, and again 1, 2. Now 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 1, 1. Now increase in next stitch, 1, 2, again 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and increase into the last stitch. Join in first single crochet, chain 1 and round number 3. Start again with an increase into the same stitch as joining, 1, 2, place stitch marker, don't place it if you don't need it. Now 1 single crochet in next stitch and 1 more single crochet in next stitch. Now make increase, 2 single crochet, now 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, now make increase, 2 single crochet, now 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches, now make increase here and here, 2 single crochet, and again 2 single crochet, then 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches, then increase, now 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches, then increase, again 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches, and into the last stitch make increase, 1, 2, and that's what we have. Now join in first single crochet, next part we will crochet a leg, so you may make it shorter, longer as you want, you decide. Mine is the leg 14 centimeters and the whole knot 20 centimeters. I'm going to chain 35, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so 30, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 35 chain. Now into the second chain from hook make single crochet, and in each 1 single crochet in each chain, in total 34 single crochet, one 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 single crochet. Please go on 34 single crochet. Okay, one more single crochet, the last one, and here we will need to make a decrease. So insert the hook into the last stitch where we did a slip stitch, draw up a loop, then insert into the next stitch, draw up a loop, and now make yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So we have done a decrease. Now make 12 single crochet, so 1 single crochet in next 12 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now into the next stitch, increase, and into the next stitch after, again increase. Now finish with 15 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and into the last one make increase. 1 and 2. Now work on the other side of the leg and crochet 30 single crochet, not 34 as we did before, but just 30. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please go on 30 single crochet in total. Here I am. Now for the tail, chain 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Into the second chain, make a slip stitch. After that, 1 single crochet. After that, 1 half double crochet in next 2 chain, then 7 double crochet, one double crochet in next 7 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 1 half double crochet, then single crochet, and finish with 4 single crochet along the leg. 2, 3, 4. That's it. The knot is ready. Cut the yarn. Now let's join. Pull the tail underneath from front to back, and then through the center of the last single crochet. Great. Use yarn needle and weave in end. So let's come back to the beginning. We have a tail here. So what you need to bring the tail on the right side, this way, and we will close all holes with slip stitch. In this way, now insert into the hole and make a slip stitch. Then insert into the next chain and slip stitch, slip stitch, slip stitch, slip stitch, slip stitch, and make one more here, slip stitch. Now look on the right side, and that's how it looks. So not bad, right? That's it, guys. Don't forget to iron your knot if you are using cotton yarn. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you really enjoyed it. The written instructions you may find on my blog. There will be also ads-free version. Thank you for supporting me and buying my ads-free version pattern. Check more and stay tuned for new video tutorials. Bye!